Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be cleaning a pair of Nike Cortez all white. Now this shoe isn't that bad, but it's pretty dirty and it has a tough stain in it that I don't know how I'm going to get out, but we're going to go ahead and try our best on it. But the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and remove the laces from the shoes and then dust them off and start the cleaning process. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So now that we went ahead and scrubbed the shoe, let's go ahead and get this shoe rinsed off, let it dry. It's gonna take about 24 hours, but for you guys, it's gonna be right about now. So I let the shoes dry for about 48 hours. Now that the shoe is completely dry, let's go ahead and get these laced up. I hate lacing shoes. It's probably the worst part about sneakers. All right, but let's go ahead and get it. Now that we got the shoes laced up, let's go ahead and take a look at them, see how clean it came out. thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so the algorithm pushes my video out to more people. And if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you stick around. Oh, and I may not be posting next week because I'm working on a different style of sneaker cleaning, something that I have yet to see on YouTube, and I think I want to go ahead and bring that to you guys. That way you're not watching the same redundancy of sneaker cleaning and whatever. But stay tuned, man. You're not going to want to miss it. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.